Thank you so much, Mr. President, His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa. Thank you for hearing my plea. Thank you for hearing the nation's plea. Ndakakumbira kuna president a few days ago about this issue. Then I first spoke na mai. Takatanga dataura na mai Mnangagwa ndakati mama, you know, there's this issue which is happening kuti this munana stafadzwa chidawo hana any qualifications ye health or maybe social sciences or something. He's a former police officer, but he doesn't have the capabilities of running like a rehab center. So he's literally abusing people. That's why Queen mwana akafa, because akaroa mwana, his staff akaroa mwana ye akaita internal bleeding himsoro akafa. Then I might about okay, do a post and address the president publicly. And I addressed the president, and the president had the nation, because I'm the mouthpiece of the country. So when people ask me, Queen, who are you? You summoned the president. Trust me, I know what I'll be doing. I dine and eat with kings. So when I address this matter and president, I know it will be reaching the president's office. So here we are today, celebrating a milestone as a country. Kuti tafadzwa chidawo ne accomplice wake vari kupinda muchitokisi nenyaya dzekuti vari kurana an illegal rehab center. If Tafadzwa wanted to run a rehab, yes, unogona kuvhura rehab center. Tafadzwa, you're registered. We'll hire my doctors, we'll hire my social workers, we'll hire my sociologists, my psychologists who are accredited, vakaenda kuchikoro, who are certified. Then yes, you can be the CEO. That can happen. But you didn't have even the staff who are capable, and your rehab center was not even registered. So it was something shaggy. I don't know. Kuti maifunga kuti nyika ndeya mbuye inyeri, nyika ndeya anina yakomana nde mu 2 rooms dzekumba kwenyu. No, this country is bigger than one person. This country is bigger than one person, and so that's the end, boy. We cannot let the health fraternity being managed with people who didn't even see the school of health. You know, asiri doctor, asiri ma social workers, asiri ma sociologist or psychiatrist, or you know, mokofunga kuti munongo muka one day ma kutofunga kuda ku manager like health. Like really? Has my umba. Thank you, President. Thank you.